Y'all know what this is? Got a small Dairy Queen M&M Blizzard. See it? Haven't had a Blizzard from Dairy Queen in a long time, so see what it tastes like. Okay. Good taste. The ice cream is creamy. It's really good. Got a lot of M&Ms in it, so you're gonna definitely get a lot of those. Eat your bite. And there you have it. Dairy Queen M&M Blizzard. I'm gonna have to give this a 9 out of 10. It's good. Ice cream creamy. Great amount of M&Ms. Patch of punch. Like the taste is just wow. Explosive taste in your mouth for real. Like, you know, real good. Real good. Anyway, man, comment, like, and subscribe, and keep watching my videos. Next time, guys. Peace.